All right, today I'm gonna show you how I make my favorite nut butter. It's gonna be 2-part macadamia nuts, and there's a shortage. I couldn't hardly find them. I was gonna replace it with cashews. It probably should have worked just fine. But 2 parts macadamia nuts to 1 part pecan, 1 part coconut. We're gonna dump it all in. I'm gonna put it in the food processor here on low and walk away from it. Eventually it'll all grind it up, the oils will release and it'll start making a butter. We'll scrape it down with a spatula, keep going, and then I'll move it on to another recipe that I'm gonna do another video of here, but this was going to be my absolute favorite nut butter I've ever made. All right, here we go. Macadamia nuts, coconut and pecans. Of course, the coconut don't come out very good. All right, nut butter's all ground down. I didn't add salt because I had salted macadamia nuts. That cools, it's gonna be real good. The perfect nut butter. There you go.